Mira Ozams. Welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. So today I filmed this beautiful look that I've got on. I absolutely enjoyed a few minutes. I hope you enjoy watching it. So if you want to see how I got this look, please and please keep on watching. Thank you.
Okay guys, so you need your Faux Locs. That's the hair you're using today. So you need your wool, and you need your needle and thread, and then you want to start sewing the hair into the wig cap. Continue to sew the hair into the wig cap. Right, I got this hair, by the way guys, I got this hair from my beauty local shop called Beauty Queen, and it's 6 packs. You can check your local beauty shop if they've got it. Alternatively, you can check AliExpress. So yeah, now you just want to keep sewing until you get your desired fullness. That's it, just go around and sew as we always do. With the aid of the wool, you want to start plaiting the hair together with the Faux Locs. By the way, I'm using closure for that baby hair natural looking effect. So you just want to start, like, put the Faux together with the baby hair with the closure and sew, not sew, excuse me girl, and just plait them together, you know what I mean, just plait them together to kind of look the same. Just plait and plait, go around and plait and plait and plait. I mean, if you want center pattern, you could give it pattern. If you want side, you can, but I just wanted to go with something that is freestyle, so I can style it any way I want it. If I want it straight, if I want it centered, I could style it that way. If I want it sideways, if I want to pack it all the way up, I could do that. So that was what I was going for, something more versatile. Okay, yes. And I forgot to put my, what's it called again, my glue, my got-to-be glue, because I think with this hair you need a little glue for the frontal, because obviously you're kind of plaiting. Is it the word? I'm looking for the word, but I can't seem to get it, so it might be hanging a little bit. So yeah, but if I'm going out, I'll get got-to-be glue.
Like it. So this hair is quite versatile. I like making my hairs versatile. You can do so much with it if you like. Now I will stand up so you see the length of the hair and what the hair looks like. There we go. Yep, you can take the ribbon out and have it all the way down. Hi guys, we've come to the end of this video. That's the end product. Thank you for staying with me and thank you for watching. I enjoyed making this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. So if you've enjoyed watching this video, please can you do me a favor? It's absolutely free, by subscribing to my channel. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. So that's it, bye.